Hi, this is Ronnie, and this is my How to Kill a Kit with Style wrap-up. I do have quite a bit left, which I figured I would because I put a lot in there. These were ones I pulled randomly. It was full, so I've used several. That was in there, and I guess I took it out and then put it back. I used a few of those too. This was new. I used some of them. This was 2 packages, and I'm down to 1. And I used a few of those. I've got these scraps left. These were the ones that would fit in here, and I guess that one would too. And this Pink Fresh, I've used several because it was, I think it was like new. I have this full piece of paper, and I'm saving it for Lego stuff. I really want to use this side because it's so cute, but I'm saving it for Lego pictures. And this one's almost a full piece. It's not quite. So 1 full sheet of paper. And this one is just about gone. It was pretty well gone at the start of the month, but I've used several more. This had a lot on it. I do have this partial, and another one that was too big to go in there. I put quite a few letters. I have quite a few left, but I have used quite a few. And I had puffy stickers, and I have used off them. I did not use any of them. I have tried like 3 months in a row or 4. I might as well just put it up. Because I haven't found nothing to put on. I've used a few of those and some of them on my kale layout. I think I used a couple of hearts here. 1, 2, 3 hearts. These are the buttons that I challenged myself to use. I used them, but you're not going to see it till the 6th. It's not in the stack even. It's for a collaboration. So yeah, I used the buttons, and I used 1 pack of these and part of this. I think I moved a couple over. In fact, yeah, there's 2 things in there. I used some of these, plus I pulled another one out and used a couple of them because I wanted to use the same words twice. I used some of the puffies and these, I haven't found anything yet that makes them stick really good. I did use like 1 or 2 of these, and I used a couple of those. I did not use any of these. I don't think I used any this month. And I used some of these. I cut out a couple of the cameras on here and did use them. I made a couple of words out of this one and took some words down here. I used a few of these. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I used 5 of those. And oh, we're down to my layouts already. Let's move this stuff out of the way. So 1 full sheet of paper and partials. That's all I had left there. I'm not going to call it killed because, you know, I can make some more stuff out of it, but I'm not gonna mix them back in with stuff. I made this layout. I did use it for Punched Out Thursday and made this little BB-8, but the rest just from the kit. And this one was for Mixed Media Frenzy, but I used stuff from the kit on here since it was well, it's an aquarium, but it was tropical, so I had stuff in there that looked tropical, and I used them. This is the kale one I was talking about a while ago, and these were like older pieces that I put in there that really didn't go with anything else, but they went great with this kale. And I used puffy stickers and wood. And this one, I think this one just uploaded today, and yeah, this one was one with my mom and grandkids, and I was really tickled about these signs since we were running errands all day that day and took pictures. This one's the sunburst one, and the kids was at the park, and it was Easter, but it was really sunny and nice, and so I thought the sunburst would look good with it. And this one, Silly Shenanigans, and they were goofing off at McDonald's. Okay, and then these, let me count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. These don't have a video up yet, but I have one. I just got to get it uploaded. I went like 5 hours so far today with no internet, and so that one needs uploaded, so you get a sneak peek. And this one's a double page layout. Look at that. And it's coming up. It'll be coming up. And then the button one, which I don't have over here for some reason. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 layouts for this. Plus I did my my punched out Thursday, way back when, Wednesday, and Mixed Media Frenzy, a couple other odds and end ones, and Stash Dive Saturday. So I counted up 28 altogether. But yeah, that's my review of how to kill a kit with style though. But thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.